Hello everyone, so to make this beautiful DIY candle we need a piece of butter paper and A4 size sheet and some kind of design which we are going to print on our butter paper. So here I am using this birthday template. It is up to you whichever you want to use. Now there are two ways to print this design onto the butter paper. The one is just take your printer or go to the printer shop and print it directly onto the butter paper sheet, while the second one is the process which I am showing you here, because guys, it is a DIY candle, it is a DIY project, and you know the meaning of DIY, that is do it yourself. So let's do it ourselves guys, and doing ourselves and gifting it to our loved ones or to our friends definitely give us more happiness and pleasure. Okay, so this is the super easy and the super simple process which I am showing you here, and we all love doing drawing, so you will definitely have fun while doing this. Just copy the design onto the butter paper and make you feel like you are one of the best painter. Oh guys, suppose if you don't want to create design by yourself, just give this project to your younger ones or to your kids. They will love doing this, but only this process guys, not the next process which I'm going to show you, because that process needs extra precaution, not precaution. And see how wonderfully and beautifully I have created this design onto the butter paper. Actually, I have not created it, I have just copied it, but it's all fair in making a beautiful candle at the end of the day. All right, so let's move on to the next process, and similarly I have created many more because I'm going to make many more beautiful candles using the same design. And you can also fix your butter paper with the sheet like the way I'm showing you here. This will make your process super simple and easy. All right, so what is the next process guys? The next process is cutting the design. And guys, here is a very important point which I forgot to mention at the beginning of the tutorial. I'm extremely sorry for that guys. And the point is that whenever you are taking print of any particular design onto the A4 size sheet, make sure that you know the dimensions of your candle. So basically you have two choices, either you can choose a square candle or you can choose a cylindrical pillar candle. In this tutorial I'm using a square shaped candle, and this is how you have to ready your sticker. And as you are seeing on the screen that the sticker is ready, let's move on to the next process. So guys, this is beautiful white color square shaped pillar candle which I'm using in this tutorial, and I'm happy to announce that this is my own company's product. So if you want to buy it, you can search it on Amazon and just click the link and purchase it from there. And before fixing it permanently onto the candle, just do a little practice. Now the another most important thing which we need to create this beautiful candle is the wax paper. So I'm cutting the required quantity of the wax paper, and the next process is super simple again. And now the process I'm showing you here is very important, so be focused and learn this process carefully. So this is how you have to fix your wax paper onto the candle, and when you hold this candle, hold it tightly. Here in this tutorial I'm using the heat gun. Okay guys, so if you are a candle maker, a candle artist, then having a heat gun in your candle making kit is compulsory. But if you are new or you are doing this just as a DIY fun candle making project, then you can replace your heat gun with the regular iron which we use to iron the clothes in our home every day. And the second option is the hair dryer, but hair dryer takes a longer time, so you have to be patient with that. And after completing the process, just remove the wax paper like the way I'm showing you here, and your candle is ready to gift. This is wonderfully created candle, and It is beautiful, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. So do write to me whether you find this tutorial helpful or not. Please don't forget to watch my other videos too, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.